in today's video we are going to look at the upcoming snowstorm that's going to hit parts of the plains and Midwest. But before we get into this video, I would ask you to subscribe if you do like daily weather forecasts, and make sure to share this video with any friends or family. But anyways, let's get right into this forecast. So right now we are looking at the GFS model, which is pretty much kind of a simulated weather radar. We can move this forward. You do have some snow over here over in parts of the Texas, Oklahoma area, which is kind of rare for the month of April. Move it forward here though, to about Wednesday. You're starting to see this snowstorm start to pick up over here in parts of the northwestern U.S. And then and then we go over to Thursday, and this is when you're starting to see the snowstorm really start to pick up there. Some more heavier snow in spots in there for parts of Nebraska and Wyoming. And then you're moving it forward even more to about Friday. You're really starting to see the heavy snow over here in parts of that northern Missouri, and some more lighter snow now for parts of the Nebraska and Kansas area. And then you're going over to about early morning hours of Friday. You're really seeing the snowstorm start to move into Indiana, Illinois. Most of the snow will actually stay up here in the northern parts of the U.S. You can see there. It even is reaching down here in parts of the Kansas area. But you won't get as much snow as this area, I should say. We're going to look at this total snowfall model, how much snow you could expect in here in a minute. And then you're going over to Saturday, and you're still seeing the snow over here in parts of the northeast now. And then you move into about Saturday, and that snow really moved out of the area there. Now we're going to look at the total snowfall for this snowstorm. Alright, so now we're looking at the total accumulated snowfall model. This is how much snow to expect for these areas. Up here in the mountains area of the western part of the U.S., you're seeing 14 to 11 inches of snow, more in these darker pink colors. In these more lighter pink colors, you're seeing about 2 to 5 inches of snow. In the more bluer colors, though, you're seeing 1 to 2 inches of snow. In most of these areas, actually over here in parts of northern Missouri, you're seeing 18 inches of snow right there that's being shown for Kansas City. So this could become a major snowstorm. Not really a widespread snowstorm, but definitely a major snowstorm in spots. Over here, about 5 to 8 inches of snow, parts of Nebraska. And we're going to go to the Midwest region. Alright, so now we're looking at the Midwest region, and you see the northern Missouri corridor. You're seeing 16 to 18 inches of snow. Then you're getting into Illinois. Most of these pink colors, you're seeing 10 inches of snow at the maximum. Even 12 inches of snow over here in that county. More of down here, in these more lighter blue colors, you're seeing about 1 inch of snow. So definitely not a widespread snowstorm per se, but definitely some heavy snow in spots. Getting to Indiana and Ohio, parts of Indiana, you're seeing about 6 inches of snow. Now the temperatures are going to be warmer, so this snow won't last for that long, thankfully. And then you're getting into the Ohio part, and really start to weaken there. We still see 6 inches of snow in very little spot right there in parts of the northwestern part of the Ohio. Then you're getting into the northeastern U.S. Let's go ahead and look at the northeastern U.S. right now. Alright, so now you're looking at the northeastern U.S. It really start to weaken, and then by the time it gets to over here, it really moved out and weakened a lot. Over here in Pennsylvania, about 4 inches of snow in those whitish colors, and those more darker blues colors. You're seeing up to 4 inches of snow. in these lighter blues, you're seeing 1 to 3 inches of snow. Even reaching up here into parts of Vermont and Massachusetts, up here in northern New York, that's about less than an inch of snow there. If you did enjoy this video, I would ask you to subscribe if you do like daily weather forecasts. Make sure to share this video with any friends or family. But anyways, stay safe.